all the audience that is above the age of 25, make this a drinking game. Every time I or Moksha we say the word adult, you have to take a
You take a
drink.
drink.
Because I have said it so many times, and I'm pretty sure you also said it so many times.
But this
Oh,
podcast
I
is
think
about
someone will get
adulting.
drunk if they follow this. No, they'll pass out for
No,
sure.
I'm saying the whole podcast is on adulting. So you have to talk about adulting. So that's why I'm
But
keeping.
we are using the word so much, and I just realized it. I said it so many times.
Should be a game. I'll keep saying the word adulting so people keep drinking. I love getting people drunk, especially you,
I
Nidhi.
think we are. Guys, this is the
Hi,
Typical Podcast. I'm Nidhi, and this is.
Moksha.
So today we're gonna talk about adulting.
Mm,
I mean, as every other 25 something year old person, we are only pretending to be adults.
yeah.
So we thought from the last few years that we have spent in this adult life, we would talk about some crazy bizarre things that we have seen and faced, and maybe share it with you also, because you also have must have gone through the same things.
Yes, agreed. So we'll be talking about a few things. We have some questions, and then we'll do some discussions on those questions and see what each of us have to offer in responses. So let's get started.
You're sounding so formal. What each of us have to offer.
This is what
Sorry.
happens when you apply for so many jobs and you have to act so formal and
That is true. That is
yeah,
so true.
you have to
Like
act
it's
so
our
formal.
interview voice.
Yeah. So let's get started. We're gonna cut that.
No.
Okay,
Okay.
so I'll start with the first question. So I'll ask
Okay.
you the
I'm
question,
ready.
okay? Okay. Things adults keep doing that feel like childhood.
Well, one thing that I keep doing is that I still watch cartoons.
Yeah, I mean,
I
nothing
love
bad at that.
cartoons. I feel like no, but I feel like a lot of cartoons are way better than actual movies and shows that we watch.
Like
Like
which
so
one?
many good cartoons are there, especially like there's this show, Avengers Assemble, which I love, love, love. It's like not now, it was I think it came out in 2016. It was
Yeah,
so good. It was so brilliantly done. It was way better than whatever nonsense MCU is doing right now currently.
I've not seen it, so I don't know.
I think if someone if say new Doraemon movie came out, I'll still watch it, I think. I think I'll be
Doraemon.
stupid, but I would still
Oh
watch
my
it.
gosh.
I think it'll make me happy to watch it, or
I think I would love to watch Oswald. You remember Oswald? And
Yeah,
then
yeah,
Pingu. If there's
yeah.
a movie on Oswald and Pingu, I will definitely watch it. It's like so cute. And Tom and Jerry also. I remember
But I think
all the
if
cartoons.
you tell people that you like cartoons, then they would be like,
They judge you like, what?
wait, how old are you? Wait,
Well, I'm still a child
at heart,
at heart, even though
only
I'm
pretending, only
even though
pretending.
I'm 26,
Well,
25, 25. You
I
see
was
that?
just that was what I was getting to. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Well,
yeah.
I'm turning 27 this year. Can you believe that? In 2 months. Not even two
Mm.
months. In a month.
1.5.
One and a half.
It's already February. Oh.
I can't
I did
believe.
not realize it was already February.
Oh my gosh.
I
Oh
think
my
I'm failing
gosh.
at adulting that I don't even know which month this.
I can't believe I'm turning 27, man.
Uh, I think this is the biggest part of adulting. This crying over aging.
I'm more close to 30 now than 20.
You already more close to 30 than 20 at 26.
Doesn't matter. I'm more closer now because I'm going to turn 27. Now I'm like so far away from 20. Just makes me feel so old, even though
Yeah.
it makes me feel old, but I know I'm not old. Like I'm so childish and always
Silly.
cracking
I
jokes.
don't.
Silly, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's just the age,
I think.
the society is like, oh, you're turning 27. Wow, when are you gonna have kids now? And this and that. I'm like, look, I'm still a child. I don't know if I can handle another child. So
This reminds me of this one thing when you asked what is one childhood thing that you still do or something
yeah,
like that. So I still sleep with my stuffed stuffed animal.
I still have a
It's
stuffed animal too.
it's Daisy Duck from Mickey Mouse.
Wait, you gotta wait. Give me 1 second and I will be back. Look at that.
Right? Yeah. You didn't tell me you had Donald Duck. I thought this is something else. Maybe we should get them married. No?
Yeah, they're so cute.
Yeah. Yeah, but would they survive long distance?
Yeah, yeah, if we can, they can too. I have another one. Look, it's an elephant.
Oh, cutie.
The one thing that I can't sleep without is my Dan. I have a pug pillow. It's a small pug pillow. I cannot sleep without it. It just
Yeah.
reminds me of Dan, the pug. Do you remember, right?
Yeah, yeah.
It reminds me of him, and I miss him terribly, so I sleep with him every day, every
How
night.
is he? Is he fine or what's happening?
What?
Is he fine? What's happening?
Yeah, yeah, he's okay. He's still alive. That's all
How
I
old
know.
is he?
He's like
He's
five or
only
six.
5? It
Yeah.
feels like I've known him for a long time.
We got him in 2019, I want to say, or 2020.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
not long ago. I remember when we got Dan and I was going through a rough. I think it was the same time when we had our last engineering exams and you had told me about something, if you remember.
Yeah, I remember
It's the
what I
same time
told you.
Dan came in my life.
Ah,
Yeah, it was the best
guardian
timing.
angel.
Yes, definitely. He's my cutie angel.
I think if I had more adult money, I would buy Legos. So much of Legos I would buy.
There are so
God.
many Lego stores here. You have so many different types of Legos here.
There's
People
Lego
are
stores here in
crazy.
Germany also. So
Yeah.
many. There's Legoland also. And I feel so bad because I see so many nice Harry Potter stuff. There's Disney
Yeah.
stuff. And then there's all kinds of stuff. There's a lot of the rings. And then I'm like,
Yes, you want that. I know,
like
but I'm not a
I'm
fan.
adult like Android adult. I still
What?
have to get to iPhone adult and then iPhone Pro Max adult. But I'm still like some faltu. What do you say? Which phone is bad Android? There are
Downgraded.
good Android phones, but which one is the
I'll tell
bad
you.
Android?
Uh, Motorola.
BlackBerry, BlackBerry. Like if
Motorola.
Co Coca-Cola,
Motorola.
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 Yeah, but Motorola is still coming out with
Why will
phones,
I say
right?
Coca-Cola?
I don't know. I heard Coca-Cola for some reason, and I'm like, why would you say Coca-Cola?
Nokia is a
No, no.
good brand.
But BlackBerry has been like gone, gone, gone. So I'm
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that
yeah.
kind of adult. Like I don't even count as adult. I'm
Yeah.
I'm I'm sucking that much at life that I'm on that level. I still have to get to like a good level where I'm like
Yeah.
say OnePlus, then I'm get to Samsung, and then there's iPhone, then I will come up, up, up. But I don't
Google
know.
Pixel and then this and
Maybe I
that.
get a lot of white hair till I reach that part.
Ugh. We'll see. We'll see when it
Maybe
comes.
I'll have to buy my kids all this and then have to cry that they won't let me play with it.
You buy for yourself too. Buy two sets. One for them, one for you.
Wow, so much money. I'm gonna be so rich, right?
Ah,
I'm
you
gonna buy
are.
two of
Amen.
everything.
Amen to that. You are going to be.
Okay,
For
as you
me,
say.
yeah, for me, I think what I get excited about that I used to do when I was a kid is, when you get all these painting supplies that I used to get, I get so excited. I'm like, I want this, even though I know I'm not going to use all of it.
Yeah,
I'm like,
yeah.
I need brushes, I need palette, I need this, recently I started making like clay stuff, like molding clay and making like pendants and earrings and
Oh,
all
like
that.
pendants and earrings. I thought
Yeah,
you
yeah,
would make
yeah.
like some other stuff like
No, no, I
maybe
made
plates
some
or bowls
pendants
or
and
something.
stuff.
Oh, wow.
So, yeah, and I started that and I was so excited. I got everything I needed to do that. And I did that once and I just never touched that again. But I'm always so excited when it comes to like painting supplies and anything creative. I'm like, I want this right
Yeah.
now. Even though I know I'm just going to use it once, but I still want it. I want to keep it in my whatever boxes.
In our 20s, we are so new at being independent
Yeah,
that we overdo it sometimes and then we don't execute it. Like over
yeah,
plan it and then don't execute it. I think a lot of us are like this, that we would sit and be like, okay, you know what? This needs to be done in the next
yeah,
2 years or whatever. And then we're
yes.
all like, yeah,
Pumped
yeah,
up.
yeah, and everything. And then 1 month later, you call and then you talk about it, and then you're like, you know what?
Yeah, we'll do it next year.
I am one
Yeah.
of those idiots. If I have planned something at 7, if
Yeah.
7 or 5, then I will push it to 8.
8.
I
I
will
am
not
that
do it. I
too.
will never do it at 7 or 5. I'll be like, no, no,
Odd
now not
number.
possible.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can't do
I
it.
do the same thing. Like odd number comes or even number, whatever it is. If it's more than like 2 or 3 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it just shifts to the next hour. That's how it is. That's how it should be.
I think I wasn't like this when I was a child, though. I think we were so much productive as kids. So
Yeah,
much
we didn't have,
productive.
the thing is, we didn't have any more responsibilities when we were
Yeah, but
kids.
we had so much responsibility in school, man. Like I used to be at school at 6.
Yeah,
Like
yeah, yeah.
be there
Same.
for the
Everybody had
for,
to be there.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So for my volleyball practice or
Assembly.
whatever, and
Oh,
then school starts at 7, and
yeah.
then you have to study, then you have to finish all chapters in your notebook. We used to do
Yeah,
all
yeah,
that.
yeah. All the
Every day we
homework.
used to have like
So much.
homework and everything to do. There were charts, and then you have to do projects. Then there's dance competition, singing and all that. This
But
falana.
but you're forgetting one thing that helped us go. Like in school, you met your friends every day and you had fun along with that. You had good food
I think
together.
I
You
didn't use
enjoyed. So it's
I
like,
yeah, yeah. I don't remember overthinking when I was in
yeah,
school.
yeah.
If I open my Facebook and see my chat from 2010 to 2015, no, I was some unhinged idiot talking whatever came to her head. Like,
You
what kind of
remember
confidence is that?
I used to put so many statuses and be like, "Hi, how's it going, guys?" And what poses, what faces I used to make when I was a kid. I'm looking at that, cringing at myself, like, what the heck was wrong with me? I was just showing 2 days back to Wyatt my photos, and he's like, "What is this emo face of yours?" He
I
said,
think everybody who grew up at the same time as us, we
"Yeah,
all have bad photos on Facebook. All of us. There's no one who
such
doesn't
bad."
have bad photos on Facebook
It's not
unless
even
they've
bad
deleted it.
photos or qualities. It's just the faces that I used to make when I was a kid.
Expression. Yeah, yeah.
The expressions. Oh my gosh. It's another level. So much confidence I had that is the
That's
best
what I'm
picture
saying.
ever.
No self-doubt was there, like existed. Like if someone told me that go on the stage and do this, I would do it. I had so much guts. I'd be like, okay, I'm ready. Just play the music.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
And
used to
now
love
if someone
dancing.
tells me, I'll be like, what, me?
No, no.
Why? Why do
Why do
I
I
have
have
to
to
do it?
talk? Tell somebody else to talk. I'm done. Oh gosh, yeah,
Oh
things
God,
have
I
changed a
need that
lot.
girl back in my brain. I feel like just a little bit.
Yeah, yeah, we all need that. That's why I try to keep that child alive inside
Yeah.
and get excited with small stuff like, just for lunch, I had cereal for lunch. Like I used to do that when I was a kid, like eat breakfast for breakfast, breakfast full day, whatever I wanted to eat full day. And then I remember my mom shouting at me, like, I made so much food and you're not eating anything. And then my grandmother used to come and make me something that I liked and feed it to me. And yeah, I miss that a lot.
This was me with French fries. My mom would be like, French fries is not dinner. And then I would
Yeah.
cry. I would bang the door and then, cry
Go to your
loudly in
room.
my room on my bed. Like, ha ha! Like, I want to make you think that you are a terrible person.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
my grandma, same as you. My grandma would come and then she would be like, okay, you want to
Let's
eat?
eat what you
I'll
want.
make it.
Grandmas are the best, man. I got lucky with both my grandmas, like Wyatt's side too, and my side too. They're both so sweet. Both the grandparents just got lucky with both of them. They're the sweetest people on this planet.
Yeah, but when you told me about cereal, even I thought
Yeah,
that you shouldn't do that now. Like I was gonna
you should
yell
have
at you
a.
that eat food. What are you doing?
No, that's
And
a meal too.
it makes me feel like maybe like I've become so much about the health and everything, because
Yeah,
nowadays we are thinking so much about health. Like I'm
yeah.
always thinking, okay, if I'm getting enough protein or not, if I'm eating enough vegetables or not, if I'm eating
Enough
too much.
fiber. Yeah,
Yeah, like
it's
it's constantly
I
that
think the
now.
internet is consciously making you think about it all the time.
Internet does a lot of things.
Yeah,
I think all the adults have a self-confidence problem because of internet.
yeah, that's
Whether
true.
we like it or not, at the start, it was like a way to show yourself off. And at the
Yeah,
start, people were liking it because, they could show a side of them that they couldn't.
yeah, I
It was
agreed.
giving them more confidence to be themselves. And
Yeah,
now it has become this pretentious thing that you have to do, like you have to pretend to be something that you're
you're
obviously not.
not. Yeah, exactly. It's
Like
just a weird.
so many people you see that they show so many happy stuff on their pages, and you watch those things, and then you start doubting yourself that okay, this person is younger than me, and then they are doing so
Hence, okay. So I'm saying that's what I was saying, that now you look at all these younger kids, I would say, that they have a six-figure salary and they're hustling and they have a house and they have a car, and I'm just like, where am I in my life? Like, I'm 26 years old, 27 soon to be, and where am I in my life at this point? You start comparing
I
yourself.
feel it's great to celebrate yourself. It's amazing
Yeah,
to celebrate all the things you've achieved. But I think there's a thin
yeah,
line where you start making that a part of your identity rather than something you have done, you know, that it becomes
yeah,
all you are. There's no other layers to you.
yeah,
Like your
yeah.
personality is then gone, like finished, and this is all you are. And then
New
so many
personality.
people imprint on that, not just the adults. The adults are feeling bad about it, but there are younger
Yeah,
audiences also now on the internet, like 14, 15-year-old people.
yeah,
They're watching and they're like, okay, no, at 20, I have to behave like this, like I have to reach this
yeah.
level, otherwise I'm an idiot.
Yeah, they said that thing, that boundary or
Yeah,
whatever
yeah.
that
They
is.
think this is the milestone that they
Yeah.
have to reach. It's
We didn't have that, and I actually like that, like we didn't have that, and so we could do and try different things. And
yeah.
now it's like, you got a side hustle, you got a 9 to 5 job, you gotta have this, you gotta have that, you gotta have a house by 25, you gotta have a husband by 25, and kids
Wait.
and
Oh,
everything.
before you said kids, I was gonna say you got all of that before 25. Excuse me.
Yeah, 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 but I don't
Yeah,
have a
yeah,
lot of other things
yeah, yeah, yeah,
along with it, but I'm happy
yeah,
with
yeah.
what I have. So I'm trying to be more grateful with all the things that I have in life,
I'm just, I'm just, I'm just celebrating you and your amazing achievements.
Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Okay, now let's get to the second question.
Yes.
Um, so the next question is habits we swear we'd start tomorrow. What are some of the habits that you said you would start by tomorrow
I
and
think
never
all
do?
my habits I will start tomorrow.
First, today I'll procrastinate, I'll do everything, and then tomorrow I'll start.
I think this
You
is a
fresh start.
constant state of mind of every late 20 something, that we are in constant state of future tense.
Yeah, we're always thinking about the
I
future.
will, I will, I would, I will. No, I am is non-existent.
Present doesn't exist, only
We are
future.
always living in the I will, even though if
Yeah.
it's 1 hour later, I will do it in an hour.
Yeah, I will edit this video in the next 2 hours. It's never gonna happen, but we will keep the positivity and think we will
Yeah.
do it.
Okay, if I talk about specific habits that
Yeah,
I have, said and then not done, I think a lot of times I have done that about laundry. I decide that I'll do it every Saturday. Then it becomes every Sunday. Then it becomes
yeah,
every Monday. Then some random day I will do it because
yeah,
I
yeah,
want
yeah.
to wear something from the laundry.
The laundry, yeah.
Okay, because I
Agreed.
have to have a fresh whatever dress or pant or whatever is in the
Yeah,
laundry. And then
yeah.
on that day when that's done, then I'll be like, okay, you know what? Next time I'm not gonna wait till the last moment. So today is Thursday, so I will do it next Thursday again. Let's go. And then next Thursday comes, and then what do
Never
I do?
happens. Just
Never
next Thursday.
happens.
The Thursday after that.
It takes 2 minutes.
2 minutes it takes for Maggie. No, it doesn't even take 2 minutes for Maggie. It takes 10. They lied to us.
I like how in every video we bring up Maggie somehow.
Maggie, sponsor us. A planner of making a list of what I have to do today, and then I check and I don't do any of it, Nidhi. I don't know what's wrong with me. I make a list thinking I will wake up and I'll wake up at not 7, 8. Okay, I make realistic plans. I'll wake up at 8, get ready, cook good food, do some job applying, and then edit some videos. I can't follow. All I do is sit and watch some series. I was recently watching The Family Man, so all I wanted to do was finish the series, and I did. I finished the series, and then I play PUBG for some time with you, and I enjoy that. And then I'm like, oh, I'm so tired now. I'll just sit in bed and do something else. I never get to doing what I'm supposed to do.
Um, I think
Give me some solution.
I think you're asking the wrong person for solution. This is one good thing about adulting, that
Yeah,
now you have your own space, and then you
yeah,
get to do things your way a little bit,
agree.
and you get to realize how your parents have figured out their dynamics or whatever they're
Yeah,
doing. Right now, our parents are what, in their 50s and stuff, right?
yeah, yeah,
Imagine, like, we are only halfway through their lives.
yeah,
So obviously you get to realize that so many things that they
yeah.
accomplished when they were our age, and they pretended that how like adults they were, and so just so we could rely on them completely,
Yeah,
right?
agreed.
We are at a age where our parents already had us. We are at that age. So at
Before
our
that,
age now, I can imagine that at my age, my mom having two kids, and then she's taking care of the kids. She's also cooking. She's also cleaning. She's also taking us to
oh,
the school, and then I'm crying. I don't want
tantrums,
to.
throwing tantrums.
Yeah, like so many things, and I imagine myself in that position at this age.
No,
I'll be like, I can't do it. I need
I
10
can't
years,
deal.
and then
Yeah,
I can do that. Like you, like wait, no, wait, just wait.
this is not the time.
Yeah, so yeah, it makes you have more respect
Yeah,
for your parents when you think about it in that
they,
way. That.
yeah, I think they matured quite early.
Yes. Also
So
because of their generation, no,
yeah, yeah, they were
they
quite
brought up
mature.
with so much love that they didn't get.
Yeah,
Like they had to be so strict with everything. They had to work early, wake up
yeah,
early, so they would let you do whatever you want. As a child, like
yeah,
make all
yeah.
your dreams come true
Come
and
true. Yeah,
everything. Like
agreed.
my dad used to play on the street with some whatever you get on the street, some nonsense.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Marbles and stones and
And then I had all the toys. I had the video games also, that Super Mario and everything I had were like TV video games and
yeah,
everything.
yeah,
So
yeah,
it makes you think that, this they were adulting, actually adulting.
yeah.
And we are not even A of adulting.
No, we got everything that we wanted because they made sure that we got that. What they didn't have, we get.
That's why I think sometimes that are we soft adults because of them, because they have
Yeah,
given us so much love, that we are so
rotten, rotten with
no, we are very soft hearted, is what I think. Because I think
yeah,
even our youngsters, they don't care about their parents as much as
yeah.
we do. I feel
Mm-hmm.
youngsters and the people older than us. So sometimes I think that people older than us, like our parents' generation, and if you
Yeah,
compare the kids' generation that now you see, like 12, 13-year olds,
yeah,
you see that the people older than us were very strict about what they had to do,
yeah,
and people younger than us don't give any damn about
yeah,
what they are doing.
yeah,
Like
yeah,
they
yeah.
will do whatever they want to.
Carefree. Yeah, they're very
Very carefree,
carefree and
very
chill,
carefree. Yeah, and our generation are people of self-doubts, and then
stuck there.
eating disorders, and then mental trauma, and some all problems only our generation has.
Let's get to the next question.
Hmm.
It is. Okay, this is a fun one, okay? This question is jobs we wanted as kids versus what we actually do.
Oh my God. There's
Ah,
so many jobs.
I wanted to be so many things when I was a kid. I wanted to be an astronaut, I wanted to do cosmology, I wanted to be a doctor, a scientist, and then I ended up being an engineer.
Yeah, but at least all your interests that you just mentioned are all like science, like STEM based,
Yeah, yeah,
like
yeah.
whatever you just mentioned.
Yeah, yeah. I never
I don't
wanted to
know
be an actress.
what was wrong with me. I think every year I was thinking something very very different, very weird in my
Like
mind.
what?
Like I wanted to be a cricketer at one point, because then I was like, oh, I want to be a cricketer and this and that. Then my brother would be like, nobody watches women cricket. Nobody wants women cricket. Now people are watching.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But at that time, nobody was watching. And then I was like, okay, okay, okay. Then what do I do? Okay, can't do cricket. Okay.
Yeah.
Then I was like, I want to be an architect now. And not because of the mathematics or science behind it. I like mathematics, but
Yeah,
not
yeah, yeah.
because of that.
Yeah, yeah.
Because then I get to make pretty shapes
Building.
and this buildings. And I was such a stupid kid. I was making some very disgustingly crazy shapes. And then I'll be like, I will make building that looks like this.
I can imagine.
I remember there was this one time I made a triangle
Building.
shape something.
Yeah, yeah, physics doesn't exist for you.
I was like,
Physics,
triangle,
mechanics.
wow, triangle I'm making, like a nice building I'm gonna make. It was so stupid.
It's okay. You were a kid. You thought everything was possible. Anything and everything could be done. I
That's true.
wish we
Like
thought the
that's what
same right
at that
now.
time you don't think about the logic,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
You just like in the idea of
yeah.
your.
Now you're like, oh yeah, you can't do this because you need this. Oh, you can't do this because you can't do this
Yeah.
because you need another thing. So it's like that.
Yeah, I
It's
also wanted to be a writer,
yeah.
which still is on hold. I think that's one dream I still have, maybe someday. But
You will.
at that time, I wrote a fan fiction of Harry Styles on Wattpad. What? When I was in my teens, Wattpad was very, very, very famous.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
like
yeah.
it was like a big reading app that everybody were. And at that time, One Direction was like
A
One
big
Direction.
thing.
It was
Yeah,
like
yeah,
a
yeah.
huge deal.
Yeah.
Okay. So everyone was writing fan fictions on One Direction, and I love reading. So I
Yeah.
was reading all kinds of fan fiction, and then I was like, you know what? I like writing, and then what cringe book I have written. And I had so much confidence. I put it on my Facebook. I made a Twitter. I put it on my Twitter, and then I sent it to all my classmates also. And then I was going to my classmates in class. That did
And
you
talking
read my
about it.
book? What did you think about it? Imagine, and in this book, it's Harry and me falling in love with some crazy, stupid,
Wow.
cringe story.
Wow.
It's such, it's so bad. It's so bad. We could make a video just of us reading it, but I would never do that to myself. I cannot. I
I
cannot
want to
bring
read it.
myself
I
to
have
do
never
that.
read it. You have to
Huh?
send it to me.
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
never
You
read
can read it. I can do that. I no way in hell I'm sharing it with public anymore. But 3,000 plus people read it.
it. Wow. That's
Yeah, at
cool.
that time because the girls were all my age, so
Yeah,
we were
yeah,
all
yeah. They all
stupid.
wanted to read
We
about
were all crazy. We were
crazy
all
fans.
making up shit stories in our heads at that time.
Yeah.
It was hilarious. But yeah.
Fun.
Then I think around ninth grade or something, I decided engineering, and then I just
No.
stuck
For
with it.
me, wow, it stuck with you from 9. For me, it was like when I was like, I don't know what I want to do, but I want to get into something like in science, right? So I was like, I don't know what to do. Then I was like, oh, after my 10th grade, I was like, oh, I want to do architecture. I wanted to be an
Yeah.
architect too. So I joined the classes for it. I
Oh,
paid the
wow.
money,
Okay.
I joined the classes for it, and then when I actually had to do everything, draw and stuff, I was like, dude, I can't do this. This is too complex for me. I just thought it would be easy making buildings and stuff. And then I was like, oh my gosh,
There's
what
like all the drawing, precision
yeah,
drawing, and all
yeah,
that, right?
precision is
Yeah.
like 2D, 3D, and bird eye view, and this eye view, ant eye view. I'm like, I don't want to do all this eye views. And then I was like, what should I do? And then I was like, I've taken science because after 10th we choose, right?
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
I'm like, what can I do with that? And then I'm like, what about engineering? And then, so I had this,
Oh.
yeah, I never wanted to be an engineer from the start. I
I,
wanted to
I,
do
I
something
did you
different.
tell me or I
No,
forgot?
no, I
Eh?
don't think we spoke about this at all. And then I was like, what engineering should I do? I don't want to get into the cliche like computer science and stuff that everybody is getting into. I want to do something
Special.
totally different and
I'm
special.
special.
Yeah, I'm special. So I was like, there were two engineerings that were not that famous when I was starting out. So it was like production engineering and biomedical. And I was like, I like biology. Let me just do biomedical engineering. And then I stuck with that. And
Yeah.
now we both stuck with it. So yeah, I never wanted to be an engineer. It just worked that way.
I was always like a nerd, you know that. Like I
Yeah,
was
yeah, yeah.
always a very math and science person
Yeah.
rather than any other subject. I
Mm-hmm.
think you were more rounded off, but I was always very, these
Yeah.
two are like my thing, and
Yeah,
everything
yeah.
else can just be no average.
Yeah, yeah,
Can
yeah.
happen in the background.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Which is why I knew ki like for money purposes I'll have to do something like this, and then I can be creative when I have the money. And
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
still
yeah.
waiting for the opportunity to do that.
But
When
he
we were
loved
doing the karaoke, it
singing
was
and
so fun.
dancing. Like Nidhi and me are the only two people in our group who were always dancing. No matter what, whatever song it is, it could be any random song,
We had
Bhojpuri
no
song,
shame also.
English song, Spanish song, German song, Hindi song, whatever song, Nidhi and me were always dancing. We were
That's
the dancers in the group.
we have to do also dance video. What we'll do, we'll
Yeah.
put green screen and then both of us will put it in the same video.
Well, have you seen that? वो ऐसा वादा किया वादा
I
जिसको
am not doing all that with you on the internet. That is not happening.
I
Excuse
want
me.
next question.
Next question.
Okay. Mm, okay, the next question is the most annoying adult responsibilities we weren't warned about. I think there are a lot.
I think the most annoying for me is the budgeting. I
Yeah.
feel I don't want to be responsible of my money. I just want to spend it. Like
Everybody's dream.
I need an accountant. Like please give me an accountant. Because I am responsible with money, but then I stop having fun if I'm responsible with money.
Yeah,
And I
you
don't
can't be
want to
both.
stop having fun. It's like this constant cycle of me telling myself no.
I understand. It's hard.
It's hard.
Budgeting is really hard, especially when you're with a partner who wants to buy every single thing on Amazon and you have to stop that person. Like recently we just ordered some furniture from Amazon, right?
Yeah.
And Wyatt created a 50 product wish list that he wants to buy in the coming year or so. I'm like, where are we gonna get the money from, huh? You're the only one who's gonna be working.
He'll work for it.
Oh my gosh, he has
I'm home opening my bank app and I'm like,
oh gosh.
Why is there no new money secretly just transferred to my account? Like,
Why are
please,
people
someone
not
do
just
that.
by mistakenly sending me $1 million? Why? Why
And
can't it be me?
my dad is like another level
Yeah,
psycho.
yeah,
Like,
yeah.
if I say this as a joke in front of him, no,
He
the
send you
next day he
next
will
day.
make that happen. He's like some crazy man.
Yeah, my dad always I still haven't given him my bank account number over here because the other day I was saying something that I want to buy this and something. He's like, "Give me your account number. I will send you money right now." I said, "But I don't want. I have money. I can buy it. I'm just saying I want to buy it." He's like, "No, no, give me." I still haven't given him my account number because I know the moment I give him, he's going to transfer some money which I don't need. I'm just going to spend it on some stupid stuff. You know?
I think that's why adulting is hard for us, because our dads keep babying us this
Yeah,
much.
yeah. My dad every day he asks me, "Should I send you today money?" I said, "I don't want money, Baba. If I'm in like a real crisis, I will ask you and then you send it to me. Right
That's
now,
what.
I don't
Like, you
have
have to
any
be my
crisis."
emergency. You don't have to
Yeah,
be my daily supply.
yeah,
Like,
yeah.
stop it.
For daily supply, I have a husband, no?
Look at you.
Yeah. For this podcast, which is if you could outsource one thing in your life forever, what would it be?
Outsource, as in like to
Like
person or like
you
to
would pay
machine.
any like you would pay any amount of money to never do it again.
Well, I mean, I would buy a dishwasher, but I think that's like a normal thing
Yeah.
to do.
I
Like, you
have a
get a
dishwasher,
dishwasher.
but the dishwasher is not working, so we have to wash all the dishes on. And so
Then
I
I'll
don't.
pay the mechanic to take
That's why
money.
we have people come over right now to fix it.
Uh, Something that I have to never do. I
That
think
you would never do if you
maybe I
pay
can,
somebody.
if it's imaginary, anything,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
I would
yeah.
get
Could be
someone to
anything.
run for me, I think, every day. I don't want to run. Like, I can do other workout. I like walking and jogging and then strength training, dancing. I like that.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
hate running. I hate running with everything in my heart. I
But you
used to
love
love
running
running.
from your problems.
That's true. But I'm only running from my
At least you're
problems because
running.
the
At least you're
problems are
running
coming
there.
behind me with a knife.
But at least you're running there. So it counts. It
Yeah, I'm
counts.
running in my brain, but that
So it
doesn't burn calories. In this imaginary, I would get someone to run for me. I think that's the fastest way to, stay fit for
yeah,
your health. I think that would be good if
that
it's
would be a good
possible.
thing if someone could run. For me, I don't know. It's a hard question. I've never thought about it. What
You
would
think
I
I
want?
think about every day to get someone to run for me?
Yes, yes. I think you secretly are always thinking, I wish I could find somebody who could. Ooh, no,
What?
no, not that. That doesn't. I'm thinking, I'm still thinking. I can't think of anything. Like for grocery shopping
Someone
also.
to do your hair or something, like, give you the best hair care or something. Because you have
Mm,
curly hair, like, make sure that
yeah.
you never have to, style your hair, maintain your hair or something like that.
Mm,
Because I remember you used to tell me when
I
we were in
know. I used
bachelors,
to
you used to take
crib.
hours to just wash your hair, and then you need more hours to dry it, and then when you're styling it, it also
It
take
takes
hours.
so much time, but now I don't style it at all. I just wash my hair and I'm done with it. And it just naturally curls and does
But you
whatever it
look so
has to do.
nice. I remember. I think when we were going to Albania, you did it and you came, right?
Yeah,
The day
yeah,
we
yeah,
were flying, and it was looking so good. So
yeah.
once in a while, you should do it when you're like in
In the
going
mood.
for something.
Yeah,
I feel adulting sometimes makes you scared. I feel
yeah,
like no matter how fearless we are, it always
yeah.
makes you feel like you're at the edge of something. Maybe it's the edge of this pirate ship, you're walking the plank, or maybe you're on some tall skyscraper, and then or maybe you're jumping from a plane, like skydiving. I don't know, it always feels like either
I
it could be the
always,
best thrill of your life, like you're
yeah,
having the time, like 5 minutes, and then you land safely, or else you die.
yeah. I just feel
It's
like
like a gamble.
it's just a constant like running from one thing to the other. It's constantly running, waking up, doing this, doing that, doing this, doing that, grocery shopping, going to the bank, getting your freaking taxes done. It's just running, and I'm tired
It's
of running.
monotonous. It's very
Yeah,
monotonous also, right?
yeah, yeah.
It's
It's
like you're
very
doing the same thing every day.
same chores every day. You're cooking, you're eating, you're washing the dishes, and you're done. That's why we need to travel, Nidhi. We have to
Yeah,
plan our next trip soon. We need
yeah.
a change, a break.
I miss traveling so much.
Me too. I haven't traveled since I moved here. I mean, I've traveled here internally, like been to like 2 states, but
Even
traveling in
I
Europe
haven't
was more
traveled
fun.
since our last trip together.
I miss traveling in Europe because it's like you drive for like 3 hours and you'll reach Austria, you'll reach Switzerland. And here,
Yeah.
if I drive for 3 hours, I'll still be in Virginia. So that's a big change, and I miss traveling a lot.
But it's not a good weather, so
Yeah,
that's
not
one
the
thing.
best right now.
Because Europe is like having God knows what kind of weather crisis right now.
Yeah.
Earlier it was snowing all day. Now this week it's raining a lot.
What is happening in Europe?
I
Yeah.
don't know. I just hope the summer is nice. I will
Yeah.
bear everything
I
till
always
April.
wait for the summer. It's like,
I
when
will
is
bear
summer coming?
everything.
Yeah.
But it's like school all over again. It's like you April till April you're like okay, summer vacation, summer vacation, summer
Yeah.
vacation, and then in May you're like all out outside and playing all day and everything.
Yeah. Summer is the best weather, and nobody can change that.
I
Nobody
think
can
one
change
thing about
that.
adulting is also accepting the fact that your friends are not just your friends, they are like now adults too,
Yeah.
with their own life going
Problems.
on.
Yeah.
Like you're not just some character in whatever life I'm having. Like you're not just the best friend trope, but
Yeah,
you're
yeah,
also
yeah.
like the lead in whatever plot
I'm
that you're
doing.
making.
Mm-hmm.
And as kids, you don't see that much, right? Like
No.
as kids, you're like, oh, you're my best friend. I'll just meet her at the college. We'll eat together and we'll gossip and we'll do some nonsense. You don't think about the depth of whatever's going on.
Mm-hmm.
And now everything is so deep, and it's like every day we have so much to tell each other, even though we talk every
Nothing.
day.
Yeah, that's what I don't understand. Like, we talk every day and we still come up with stuff to talk about. So much stuff. Like this happened, that happened.
Yeah.
Falana, Dhimkana.
Maybe God is giving us a lot of plot to
Yeah,
talk
that's
about.
good. That's good. Because that's the only thing when you're like long distance friends,
Yeah.
the only thing is communication, and you need to like communicate every day to maintain that friendship. And I like that we talk almost every day. We play together, and that remains constant.
But I think we didn't stay in touch with a lot of our friends
Yeah.
as we grew up,
Yeah.
that people we were very close to. Say school also. Like you will
Yeah.
talk to them. You'll be like,
Mhm.
hi, hello, how are you? Great. Oh, I miss you and everything. And you still feel they're very close to your heart. But
Yeah.
they still don't know the you that you are right now.
They don't know this version of me.
They only know that crazy girl that I used to be. And then if they see the kind of personality we have right now, maybe some people would get shocked like, wait,
What?
is
She's
this the
changed so
same
much.
person? Yeah, like
Yeah, like you were saying yesterday, and I didn't observe this myself, but you did when we were talking about like making friends and stuff, and you said that I'm turning into an extrovert.
yeah,
Sorry, introvert.
introvert. Yeah,
Yeah, you said that, and I didn't realize that until you said that. That yeah, it is true. Like I'm turning into an introvert.
because I've seen you through so many years, and I'm
Yeah.
still in your life. That's why I'm able to make the deduction. No, let's say if we were in touch last 2 3 years, then I wouldn't know that there's a personality change. I would still
Yeah.
think that okay, Moksha's still very
Same.
outgoing. She'll still go
Yeah.
and mix with the strangers also. But
Yeah.
now I'll be like, okay, we don't want to do that. Let's you and I have fun on our own because now
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
know, right? So that's the difference.
I don't care if anybody unfollows me, anybody says I look like shit. I don't care. I'm still gonna do it because I want to do it. So,
I, Yeah, I know. Even I don't care about followers and shit. And I
yeah.
think that's why we were so confident about doing this.
Yeah, exactly. It's like if people want to listen to us, they will. If they don't,
Yeah,
it's okay.
yeah, yeah. I think it's very important to have fun in life
Yeah.
as you grow up. We just feel like as adults, like on the conclusion kind of note, that as adults we forget the little joys in our lives, and we get so used to the bland
Big.
and the very monotonous stuff that we forget to have fun, be silly, do childish things, and not
Yeah.
not have a care in the world, and
Yeah.
be more out there,
We start
do things
looking
for
at the
ourselves.
yeah, we start looking at the big picture, like, oh, job, this career, this milestone, and then we forget having fun with the small things in life.
Yes,
We forget that a lot.
that's what
And
I mean. It's so important for you to do whatever silly thing that you want to do. I mean,
You
I
should
mean,
do it.
I don't think Leila is the perfect
Example.
guru for life advice because of whatever reasons. But
Yeah.
what she said was true, that that a person should only be in a box when they are dead.
Yeah. You should live in the moment. You don't know if you're
Yeah,
gonna live
seize the
tomorrow.
moment.
Yeah. Seize the moment. No, she says
This is
seize the
us
world, my
seizing our
friend.
moment by
Yeah.
doing this,
Yeah.
because we get to be silly, we get to
Ourselves.
laugh, and I think that's the whole point. We don't really care if there are many people watching us, or just our friends watching us,
Yeah.
or just couple of our friends watching us. We don't care about it. We just spend, we like doing this because we like spending time where we can laugh. It
Yeah.
reminds me of the time when we used to sit on the same bench and laugh.
Yeah. Just a reminiscence and thinking about what stuff we've been through together, all the
Yeah.
journeys, all the travel, everything. Just a good nostalgia.
Yeah, adulting is easy when it's with friends.
Yes. And it's
Yeah,
with good friends.
good
Like
friends
me. Like me.
like you. Yes.
And you.
I didn't need that, but okay, thank you. Yes, like me also.
Yes.
And like a lot of you
Yes, of
who are
course.
watching
Let's
this.
not forget that.
We
Like you
also
guys
love
too.
you because you're watching us when you already watch us live being stupid. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. And thank you for listening to us banter about stuff that probably doesn't even matter, but we're going to do it anyway. So thank you for that.
Very grateful.
Yeah, we will see y'all in the next video. So till then, take care and bye bye. This is the Too Loud Podcast.
Bye. See you.
See you.